Taoiseach has asked me to prioritise child poverty here. So what we're looking at now will not affect the universal child benefit payment, just be very clear on that, but that there will be potentially a targeted payment for working people on low incomes, for people on welfare payments, to ensure that their children we get as many children out of poverty as possible. The record increases we've done in this year's child support payment are making a difference and will have an impact in communities all across the country. The second issue, this is the working age payment. So at the moment, I want to make sure that the department supports working people, and we have a lot of supports for working people from within the department. But I want to make sure as well that when somebody goes from a welfare payment to working, that there's not a cliff edge. That often happens, and that dissuades people from taking up employment. So through reform of the working age payment, I want to make sure that we take away that cliff edge. We take away the anomalies that are stopping people from taking up employment or taking up employment opportunities or increasing their employment. So people might be on certain hours. You know, we want to make sure that we encourage them to take up more employment whilst giving them support still for a period of time while they transition.
We're speaking here, I suppose, just over a week out from the Fianna Fáil centenary and the Ardèche. How are you reflecting on that time as a Fianna Fáil blue blood, should I say green blood?
Oh, definitely not blue blood. I don't do that. I'm a Republican Party. I'm very proud of my party. I'm very proud of everyone that's being a member, canvasser, a door knocker, a poster person over that 100 years. We've made a transformational difference to this country. Have we got things wrong? Yeah, we have. We have, absolutely. But we've done some of the major transformational changes in Ireland, joining the European Union, free education, the peace process, economic progress, the economic progress that we have in terms of our inward investment attraction, our support for business, education, health. We've made a major difference. And Fianna Fáil ethos, the Fianna Fáil Republican ethos, has made a major difference to this country. And we will get to celebrate that next weekend. And we get to celebrate it across the country throughout the year. But equally, we can't be complacent. I want there to be Fianna Fáil in 21-26. That's as revolutionary, that's as Republican, and that's as hungry for this country.
And beyond 2026 and 100 years, could we see Fianna Fáil leader Dara Calleary?
That's way beyond my pay grade at this point. It's flattering to be in the conversations, but I'm focused on my jobs, Minister for Social Protection, Minister for Rural Community Development, Agus an Gaeltacht, tá sé Tom Harvard Brodul, the Vetmar na Gaeltacht, the freshen as a TD for Mayo, and we've a lot of work underway. I'm focused on the work that I have.
Good market.